it's your girl Tammy. Welcome back to my channel where I teach you skincare, makeup application, and sometimes here and there I'll talk about everyday lifestyle. Okay? If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to comment and like this video. So, how many times have you purchased skincare from, Macy's, the department stores, anywhere, just for it to sit on the counter and collect dust? Or maybe you tried the product 2 or 3 times, or a hit and a miss. Maybe you did it one day, forgot about it, did it the next week, and then you just completely stopped doing it. And you were expecting immediate results. So tell me, who could attest to this? Comment in the comment section because I would love to know. Because I know I've done it before and I'm not the only one. So comment in the comment section if you have done this and you stopped using your product. So you guys, there's this myth. Anti-aging skincare products don't work. Well, I'm here to tell you that anti-aging skincare products work when you use them properly, meaning you can't use them irregularly. You have to use them on a regular, consistent basis in order for you to see results of a particular product. It doesn't matter who the product is by, who it's made by, whether it's cheap, expensive, or in the middle. You have to be consistent. Being said, there is no overnight success when you're using a skincare product and you're trying to change your appearance, the appearance of your skin, or maybe you are beginning to see wrinkles on your face. But the thing is, it doesn't happen in a week, a day, 3 days, 2 weeks. You have to use that product at least 30 days or more to see the results of the product. You can't just stop using it. You have to use the product based upon what they tell you to do, which is you use the product in the morning and you use the product at night consistently so that you can see the results of the product. Don't just say the product doesn't work when you're not using the product on a consistent basis. So, there's 2 types of skincare products that that the company that I am a consultant with have. We have a skincare product for those of you who are probably 35 years, between the age of 35 and 50. Although even if you're older than that, you could probably use this product. But what it does, this product, it comes with a cleanser, a day cream, a night cream, and an eye cream. And what the company says is that when using this product consistently, you will begin to see results in 2 weeks. That's what they said. But you will really notice the products if you just use this product consistently. Okay? Another product for advanced aging, for those of you who are 50 years or older and you need a product to help you slow down the aging process. Now, aging is not going to disappear because it's just part of just getting older. But what you can do is slow it down. And the products that we have, it protects your skin. It gives you the protection your skin needs, the hydration your skin needs. Um, it does all of those things, and the product helps firm your skin, all of the things that you need to have a very good skincare routine. And it's competitive with the market. So, if you're interested in knowing what products it is that I use, I'm going to have that information listed in the description box. There's a form that you can fill out. I just need to know a little information from you, and then I could work with you to, kind of help you with your skincare needs or whatever it is that you're trying to do with your skincare. So if you want, I'll have that information in the description box for you to complete. And that's it, you guys. That's the end of my video that I talked about skincare myths. It is a myth. Skincare products do work when you use them properly and consistently. So thank you for watching, and you guys have an amazing day, and do not forget to subscribe.